This is the Pike Street grade crossing located on the IAIS Blue Island Sub in Peru, Illinois. Here we have two Safetran signals, each with incandescent lights and one E-bell. This is going to be looking south. You can look here at the northern signal. Up top we got a GS Type 2 E-bell. Lights, we got 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents. Got a single-sided Safetran base. Here's the dot tag, dot number 603829B. Got a standard gate mount, no gate saver. Side view lights with a Safetran Junction Box. Got a Safetran 2000s gate mechanism. Back view lights. This gate has the older striping with 4-inch RECO gate lights. I think it's a mix of LED and incandescent. Here's a back view of the northern signal. Here's the relay case in the southwest quadrant. The grade is all wood. Track queue facing west towards the Quad Cities, and track queue facing east towards the CSX connection in Utica. So these signals were installed in at least this one was installed in the late 90s or early 2000s. And then this one, I'm not entirely sure when this was installed because the base is kind of odd for a CSX install. And it's just a goofy looking signal in general. But regardless, these signals are not long for this world. As you can see, there's conduit all around. There's a new bungalow in the southwest quadrant here behind the current one. And if you look down there, there is the replacement signals. They are pretty typical for the newer installs that IAIS are putting all through LaSalle, Peru. And if you look closely, there is a mechanical bell on it. That's right, this crossing is going to be going from E-bell back to mechanical bell here very soon. It's going to be very exciting to see. IAIS has gotten 5 crossings so far installed through LaSalle, Peru, and all 5 of them have gotten WCH mechanical bells, including the newer signals that were replaced at Pine Street, which was really unusual to see. And you can see the new foundations there. So yeah, these signals will be replaced here probably the next month or so. They've been working pretty fast through here now. Here's an overview now looking north. If you look here at the southern signal, this one's got a GSI crossbuck on it. So maybe this is a CSX install, but it looks really weird for a CSX signal. Lights are again 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents. Got a single-sided WCH base, which again, I'm not sure why for this signal. Maybe this was a late install by CSX before IAIS took over. But even so, I don't think they were using WCH bases at that point. Here's the dot tag again in a stupid location. Hopefully they fix that with the new signals, which they should, because the new signals through town have all gotten the dot tags placed in the better location. See, this also has a Safetran 2000s gate mechanism. Side view lights with a Safetran Junction Box. And then the gate mechanism is mounted pretty high on this one. You typically don't see with CSX signals. Back view of the lights. This gate also has the older striping with 4-inch RECO gate lights. I think these are all LED, but I could be wrong. And back view of the southern signal. So this has been the Pike Street grade crossing. Rest in peace, Safetran signals.